How to log into your account with Google ID in GhibliArt AI. First, make sure that you have connected to internet. After that, open up any browser. Here I'm using Google Chrome. Now on the search bar, type in GhibliArt.ai and you'll see this home page. Here on the top right corner, you can see the sign in option. Click on sign in. Now, if you have signed up with your email and password, simply type in the credentials on this field and click on sign in. And if you don't have an account yet, click on the sign up option to create a new account. Now to sign in with your Google ID, click on the sign in with Google button. Now choose your profile. After that, click on this continue option. And following this, you can now easily log into your account with Google ID. Here you can see that on the top right corner you will see your profile icon, and by that you know you have been successfully logged in. So thank you for watching this video. Please do not forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel, and comment down below if you have any other queries. Thank you.